Good morning, dari Nana Hotel Siva speaking. Who may assist you?
Yes, morning. I would like to order like a call for tomorrow morning.
Alright, so before that, may I know your name and could you please spell your name for me?
Valen with Foxtrot, Alpha, Lima, Echo, November.
Certainly, Miss Valen. May I know your room number?
My room number 204.
Alright, Miss Valen. What time you need wake-up call service for tomorrow morning?
4 a.m. because I will like to do trekking to Mount Batur for tomorrow morning.
Alright, may I repeat your order?
Yes, please.
Your name is Miss Valen and your room number is 204 and you need wake-up call service at 4 a.m. because you have trekking to Mount Batur for tomorrow morning. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Anything else, Miss Valen?
No, thank you.
My pleasure, Miss Valen. Thank you for your order and wake-up call service. I will handle it as best I can. Have a nice day. Good morning. Good morning, Telepon Operator Siva speaking.
Yes, morning.
I'm sorry, Miss Valen, if I bothered you. Time has some 4 a.m. because you will like to do trekking to Mount Batur.
Oh, really? Thank you for waking me up.
Yes, you're welcome. Anything else, Miss Valen?
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you for ordering wake-up call service. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.